Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Hi, everyone. Today, I'm visiting one of the most magical places on Earth, Disneyland. And guess what? I'll take you with me through every moment, from buying the ticket to watching the fireworks. We'll also learn real English conversations that you can use while traveling. So, get ready. My bag's packed, cameras charged, and my heart's full of excitement. All right, let's start our magical adventure together. At the entrance gate. Wow! Just look at this place! The castle in the distance looks like it's made of dreams. I can't believe I'm finally here. I've wanted to come since I was a kid.
Good morning. Welcome to Disneyland. Would you like to buy a ticket?
Yes, please. I'd like a one-day pass.
Of course. That'll be $50. Would you like a map of the park?
Yes, that would be great. It's my first visit, so I don't want to miss anything.
Here you go. Don't forget, the parade starts at noon and the fireworks begin at 8 p.m.
Thank you so much. I can already feel the excitement in the air. Let's go in and see what adventures are waiting for us. Inside Disneyland, snack time. Oh, wow! Everything is so colorful here. There's music playing, people smiling, and the smell of popcorn everywhere. You know what? I think I need a little snack.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd love one strawberry ice cream cone, please.
Sure. One strawberry cone. That'll be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your ice cream. Have a magical day.
This tastes amazing. The weather is warm and the ice cream is just perfect. When you travel, it's great to use short, polite phrases like, "Could I have one, please?" or "Thank you so much." Simple English can make your trip easier and friendlier. All right, let's walk toward the carousel next. The Carousel Ride. Look at that beautiful carousel. The golden horses, the soft music, the shining lights. It all feels like magic. When I was a little girl, I used to dream about riding one of these. And now, here I am, living that dream. As the carousel turns, I can feel the wind on my face and the joy in my heart. You know, life is just like this, full of circles, colors, and little moments that make you smile. And learning English is the same. It goes round and round, sometimes slow, sometimes fast, but always beautiful if you enjoy the ride. This is pure happiness. Let's keep learning, keep exploring, and keep smiling, just like this ride. At the cafe. After all those rides, I really need a little break. Let's grab a cup of coffee at that cozy cafe over there.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Magic Bean Cafe. What would you like to have today?
Hi, I'll have a cappuccino and a chocolate muffin, please.
Sure. Would you like it to go or for here?
For here, please. I'd love to sit and enjoy the view.
Great choice. You can take that seat near the window. You'll see the castle from there.
Wow, the view really is beautiful. I can see kids waving at the parade and families laughing together. Moments like this make traveling unforgettable. When you visit new places, just talk. Say, "Excuse me, could I have?" or "That's perfect." You'll be surprised how kind people are when you speak confidently. Evening parade. Wow! The evening parade has started. Look at those lights and costumes. Everything feels alive.
Yes, the floats are incredible. Look, there's Mickey and Minnie waving.
They look adorable. And the fireworks are just beginning. It's like the sky is celebrating with us. You know, days like this remind me of why I love traveling. It connects us with people and languages. And every time I speak English, I feel like I'm sharing a little piece of my happiness.
That's so true. Everyone's smiling, even people who don't know each other.
That's the power of joy and communication. All right, let's enjoy the last few moments of this magical parade. What a perfect day it's been. From the rides, to the food, to the people, everything was magical. I hope you enjoyed learning English with me through real travel conversations. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to American English with Sushil. I'll see you soon in another English adventure. Goodbye from Disneyland.